Yeah, so my name's Josh Childers. I am a Clarity Solutions Architect. I think my byline says Senior Solutions Architect. I've been with the application since 2007, so quite a while, and I've been a consultant at Rego for just a little over 10 years. We had a lot of good sessions this year, some new ones, some very interesting material. For the sessions that I'm leading, I think we have a session called The Power of Modern UX, where we're going to look at, specific examples. We're meeting business problems with new features in modern. And, every quarter, Broadcom releases new functionality and every quarter there are new things in there that we can jump on and take advantage of to solve problems that we see our clients struggling with. So we're going to dive into some of those and take a real look at real world problems and solutions in the tool. My favorite part of Rego U, you're probably going to get this a lot, is the FaceTime. We're being remote and having clients all over. We just don't get to see each other enough. And being face to face with my colleagues and my clients and, and past clients that I don't get to see or work with anymore is really just the best experience for me. One other very close second is seeing our clients talk to each other. One of the biggest benefits we get, the classes are great, but we really find that clients seem to learn more from each other even than they do from us. And watching our clients meet, interact, and share problems and solutions is just really a great experience.